In this video, you are going to learn the basics of exercise number 5.2, nth term of an arithmetic progression. How to derive the formula we are going to learn. Let A1, A2, A3 and so on be an AP. So if you assume A1, A2, A3 are in AP, whose first term A1, first term is A1 represented by A, and the common difference is represented by D, then you will write second term. We know as per the general form, the second term A2 is A plus D, the third term A3 is A plus 2D, the fourth term A4 is A plus 3D. Further you can write this is A plus D. It is nothing but 1D. So A will be A only, A will be A plus 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. Third term is represented by A plus 2D. This 2 can be written as 3 minus 1. The fourth term is represented by A plus 3D. 3 can be written as 4 minus 1. Here you can observe second term 2 minus 1. Third term 3 minus 1. Fourth term 4 minus 1. Everything is same. Everywhere A is there, plus symbol is there, and multiplied, this bracket term is multiplied with the D. If you continue the process like this, looking at the pattern, we can say that the nth term will be, here second term is represented by A2, third term is represented by A3, fourth term is represented by A4. Same way, nth term is represented by AN. AN. Now observe this pattern. Whenever you are talking about second term, 2 minus 1, third term 3 minus 1, fourth term 4 minus 1, nth term n minus 1. Everything is same. Here A will be same, plus symbol is same, and this bracket term is multiplied with D. So that you can tell nth term general formula An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This you have to keep in your mind to solve exercise number 5.2. Here, what is An? An is also called the general term of the arithmetic progression. We can call An as general term of the arithmetic progression. In case if you are having, if there are m terms in the arithmetic progression, then Am represents the last term. If you are having 4 terms, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 are in AP, then fourth term will be the last term. So A1, A2, A3, A4. A4 will be the last term. In case generally if you are writing A1, A2 and so on, AN. Here AN will be the last term. Instead of an M is there, AM will be the last term. There are M terms are there, we can tell. If there are M terms in the arithmetic progression, then AM represents the last term. Generally last term is represented by L, the letter L also, which is sometimes also denoted by L. Here L for last term. Nth term or general term of an arithmetic progression formula is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is An here? Nth term of that particular arithmetic progression. Here what is A? A for first term. So A for first term of that arithmetic progression. N, what is mean by N? Number or position of the term in arithmetic progression. For example, if you are talking about A10, here if you are thinking about complete A10, this is 10th term. 10th term. And particularly this n value 10, this is position of the term. That means in that arithmetic progression, this 10 represents that term is 10th term. That is why n for number of the term or position of the term. Here D, what is D? Common difference. Like this we can explain the terms of arithmetic progression. Now let us go to exercise number 5.2. In exercise number 5.2, first bit is fill in the blanks type question. Some values are given to us here. In first question, given that Here A is given. A means first term. A value is given as 7, and D, common difference, D value is given as 3, and N, number of the term that is given as 8, and they are asking us to find out AN. What is the relation among all these? You know that AN formula, directly you will come to know that AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. So that we will write, we know that formula. What is the formula? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula we know very well. Here AN you need to find. AN will be AN only. I am not substituting. A value. What is the value of A? A is equals to 7. Wherever A is there, write there 7. So here A is there. Instead of A you can write 7. Plus symbol is there. Plus symbol as it is. Next N minus 1. Here N value is 8. N minus 1. 8 minus 1. Next D. D for common difference. Common difference here D value is 3. So that you can write here 3. Next step 7 plus 8 minus 1. What is 8 minus 1? 7. And multiplied with 3. Further you can write 7 plus 7 into 3, that is 21. Next step 7 plus 21 is 28, which is equals to AN. Finally you can conclude that AN value is 28. Like this you have to solve the question by using formula. In question number 2, they have given the values of A as minus 18, N value is 10, AN value is 0. They are asking us to find out common difference D value. After observing all the given values and what you have to find, you should get the idea what is the relation among all these. We know that the formula of nth term or general term of AP, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula to be there with you, then easily we can solve this question. AN, what is AN? AN is 0. So instead of AN you can write 0 is equals to A. What is A value? Minus 18 plus in bracket N minus 1. N value is 10, so that you can write 10 minus 1 into D. D value you don't know, that is why you write D as it is. Next step, if you transpose this minus 18 to left hand side, it will become as plus 18. 0 plus 18 will be, let me write here, already 0 is there, minus 18 if you transpose, it will become as plus 18. And next 10 minus 1 is 9 into D, so it will be 9D. 0 plus 18 is 18 is equals to 9D. So 18 is equals to 9D. You wanted to know the value of D only, so that 9D is nothing but 9 into D. 9 is multiplied with the D. So you transpose this 9 to left hand side. So multiplication value will divide this 18. So that 18 by 9 is equals to D. Further you can do the cancellation. 9 one time, 9 two times. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 2 only. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 equal to D. So that implies common difference D value you got 2. D is 2. In question they are asking us to find out D value only. So the D value is 2. In question number 3, the given values are D is minus 3, N is 18, AN is minus 5. They are asking us to find out the value of A. That means first term they are asking us to find. So what is the relation among all these? We know that nth term formula. So AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula to tell the relation among all these AN, AN and D. So write the relation among all these, then substitution. AN value is minus 5, so So instead of an, you can write minus 5 is equals to a. What is the value of a? We have to find it. So we don't know the value of a. For some time you write a will be a only, plus in bracket n minus 1. N value is 18. So n minus 1 will be 18 minus 1 into d multiplied with d. D value is minus 3. So you can write minus 3 like this. Next step. Let me write here minus 5 is equals to a plus 18 minus 1 is nothing but 17 into minus 3. Then further you can write minus 5 is equals to a plus into minus will be minus 17 into 3 is 51. If you transpose minus 51 to left hand side, it will become as plus 51. Already minus 5 is there, so you can write it will become as plus 51, positive 51, minus 5 is in LHS only, so it will be minus 5 is equals to a. So it was transposed. Out of 51 you are subtracting 5. 51 minus 5 is 46. So the value of a is 46. So that you can write a is equals to 46. Which one you require? A value. So the value of a is 46. In question number 4, the given values are a minus 18.9, common difference d value is 2.5, an value is 3.6. They are asking us to find out n value, so that n equal to question mark. What is the relation among all these? You must know. We know that the relationship among all these is nth term or general term formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Later on what we have to do? We have to substitute these all values in this formula. Here an. What is the value of an? An value is 3.6. So instead of an, you can write 3.6 is equals to a. What is a? Minus 18.9. So you can write instead of a minus 18.9 plus in bracket n minus 1. N value we don't know. That is why n will be n only. So that n minus 1 also as it is you can write. You don't know the value of n. Into this is multiplied with the d. So d value is 2.5. Here you can write in multiplication with the 2.5. Next step. This minus 18.9, if you transpose to left hand side, it will become as plus 18.9. Already 3.6 is there in the left hand side. So plus 18.9 is equals to n minus 1 into 2.5 as it is you write. N minus 1 into 2.5. Further what you have to do? You have to add these two. 3.6. When 3.6 is added with 18.9, what is the answer? You are going 9 plus 6 is 15. For this point will be point only. 3 plus 1 4 plus 8 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the value of addition will be 22.5. So that you can write this is 22.5 is equals to n minus 1 is multiplied with the 2.5. Next. This 2.5 is multiplying. If you transpose to left hand side, it will divide this 22.5. So that you will write 22.5 is divided by 2.5, which is equals to n minus 1. Further, point after one digit, point after one digit. Whenever in the numerator decimal after same number of digits are there, you need not mind this decimal. So it will be 225 by 25. So with you have to cancel with the 5 table. 5 times 25. 5 4s are 20. 2 left, 2 5 will be 25. And this is again 5 times 25. Again 45 by 5 is nothing but 5 1 time. 5 9 times. 9 by 1. 9 by 1 is nothing but 9 only. So 9 is equals to n minus 1. 9 is equals to, you can write 9 is equals to n minus 1. You need only n value. So that you have to transpose this minus 1 to left hand side. It will become as plus 1. So 9 plus 1. You can write 9 plus 1 is equals to n. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 equal to n. Further you can write n value is 10. So this is the value of n. by using the formula of nth term you will get. In question number 5, we have given that a value is 3.5, common difference d value is 0, n value is 105. They are asking us to find out a n value. So a n value, what is the relation among all these a, d, n and a n? So nth term a n formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a n is question mark. We don't know the value of a n. That is why a n will be a n only. A, what is a here? 3.5. You can write a value as 3.5 plus n minus 1. N value is 105. So 105 minus 1 into d. D value is 0. Further you can write 3.5 is same plus 105 minus 1 is 104 is multiplied with 0. Any number is multiplied with 0, that value is 0 only, so that you will get 3.5 plus 0, which is nothing but an is equal to any number. When we are adding any number with 0, we will get the same number. 3.5 plus 0 is nothing but 3.5 only. So you got the value of an as 3.5.